Hello, we are DHS Meteorology and Climate Science Club, and this is our March 14th and 15th tornado outbreak investigation.
During the March 14th tornado outbreak, there was a moderate that was issued by the Storm Prediction Center all the way up from northern central Iowa all the way down to northwest Tennessee. During this event, there was a strong negatively tilted trough that was occurring over Central Plains, along with a strong surface low pressure system, which helped the storms initiate pretty quickly over western Missouri and northwest Arkansas. There was a lot of moisture advection combined with clearing, which led to a lot of instability over the region, even up to about 1,000 joules of Cape. The storm mode during this event was also semi-discrete, which helped there be a lot more stronger tornadoes during this event, and yeah. So one of the strongest tornadoes we found with the March 14th tornado outbreak was actually the Diaz tornado, which happened late in the night on March 14th. The peak estimated wind speeds with the tornado were around 190 miles per hour, which was based off the damage. And as you can see on our right, here's some radar of when the tornado was going on. You can see a clear velocity couplet on the top right and reflectivity on the top left, and correlation coefficient on the bottom shows the debris ball basically, and the tornado's on the left. But some of the damage contextuals with this tornado were there were large objects that were thrown very far, and big example was a dump truck that was thrown in excess of 700 yards.
Other notable tornadoes are the Bakersfield EF3 tornado, Izzard County EF4 tornado, 119 miles path, the longest tornado in 2025. Alton, Missouri EF3 tornado, 145 miles per hour maximum winds. Rover to Reynolds County, Missouri EF3, 165 miles per hour wind. Popular Bluff EF3 tornado, maximum winds of 145 miles per hour. We looked at which factors such as temperature and pressure synoptically led to the unprecedented high-end nature of the March 14th through 15th tornado outbreak.
Our hypothesis is pressure lag significantly affected the severity of the outbreak based on the detail and area corroborating satellite imagery, as did the temperature on the time period early spring of the event. Tornadoes range in strength from EF0 to EF4. There are 5 EF1s, 5 EF2s, 2 EF3s, and a few EF4s. Heavy damage associated with tornadoes, including the complete destruction of some structures, the damage assessment tool map indicated a range of mid to severe damage in CWA. Regional outbreak associated with volatile trends March 13th to 16th that resulted in damage in excess of $11 billion.
Using VIIRS band I1, visible shelters reflective light, we found that there's a strong low-pressure system located over central Kansas. We also used VIIRS band I5, which is long-wave infrared light, to see the height of the cloud tops associated with these severe storms. Additional VIIRS data, as well as archived WPC surface analysis data, was used to assess the event storm mode, the speed of the storm's development with large-scale meteorological factors, and the position/strength of the storm surface low, warm front, and cold front. This revealed a significant quantity of dust moving over Texas and Oklahoma, showing the strength of the low, and the pressure gradient between the high and southwest and the low. This also indicated a strong cold front, as well as initially a dry line that helped with the dry conditions. These same conditions that caused the dust to move rapidly also caused a quick formation of storms near the Missouri-Kansas border during the early afternoon. These assessments were pivotal in assessing the reason for the storm's formation and development. Generally, systems which generate supercells follow the semi-discrete mode with independent and powerful supercells. These storms are also strengthened by surface lows, the dry rotation, and by a combination of cold and warm fronts, effectively working together to produce stronger storms.
All in all, we noticed visible satellite imagery showed decent clearing over the middle Mississippi Valley. Infrared satellite was able to show where convection was ongoing. We used water vapor to better see certain boundaries in weather, and while comparing radar with satellite, we found that the surface low strength helped with the quick growth of the semi-discrete cells. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation about the March 14th and 15th tornado outbreak. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for your time.
These are our references.